Hashtag short, guys. Real quick, y'all see what happened to your boy? Yes, guys, I'm getting ready to check this for oil leak. So naturally, I get ready to verify the oil level, make sure there's oil in it. Guess what happened? This sticks on me. I try to work it out, and boom, this happened. So because this happened in my possession, I'm responsible, right? Yes, I can only assume. So we're gonna try to get this out. In fact, I'm gonna pull up footage of another video that I did taking this out. I'm gonna show you how to get this out on this same hashtag short video. Different car, but same problem. Let's get it. Yes! Hashtag short, guys. As y'all can see, my area is getting back credit. Okay, yes, it's almost that time. Well, I got a clear truck now, so I can take this big stuff now. The engine, transmission, it's a transfer case in there. Now, guys, here goes another one of these, guys. Remember that last one? It's gone. But I heard a guy in the comment section was saying, this is replaceable. Guys, I don't see nowhere, unless there's a clip, unless you can take this boot off and there's a clip in there, you can get that out. I don't know. I'm not sure how this is replaceable, but I would say it is a damn shame you will have to replace the whole drive shaft just because this bushing is wore out. Now, it's a bushing, it's a wearable item, right? I understand that, but it should be replaceable. I'm not sure how much this costs, but I bet customers are sick and tired of, you know, stuff like this. Should be replaceable. This is a drive shaft, okay? Probably a Charger or a Challenger. Y'all know those things have some powers, and this may not be, I don't know, but at any rate, here's one. Hashtag short, guys. Here we go again. Toe in, no start. Okay, now before I run up and get my jump box, I'm getting no power whatsoever. This thing, hey, you got a little Hemi in it. All right, let's see what we got going on. Oh my goodness. Oh Lord. Let me see. Look at that. Both of them. They didn't even try. Like, you ain't gonna give it no effort. Like, if you're gonna go with this, man, at least, I mean, look at this. Okay, the terminal is on, or the terminal is on the battery post real tight, but the connections, and on top of that, they towed it in for no start. Actually, they towed it in because it won't move. I'm gonna do like a couple of hashtag short videos on this one, but I gotta get it started first, guys. Let me go get some tools and a jump box. All right, y'all hold tight. Hashtag short.